Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about using .class to apply triggers and actions to multiple different elements on the same page. Let's now talk about using class to apply interactions, triggers and actions to multiple elements within your page or your site. So let's click on this one and we'll give it a class, image box, and we'll use local. Okay, this now has a class, and if we were to open up our interaction layers, we can enable we can check out our custom selector here, right? And when we opened up, if we were to open up our selector builder thing here, we can see that our image box now has its own class. Okay, now we'll delete this just for the sake of this video, and we'll apply this class to our other image boxes over here, and let's do the same thing. So without the interaction layers, without the custom selector and the classes, this action, which will be again on click and animation options, which is rotate by 5, will apply only to this one. Okay, we'll save that. We'll look at it on our live site, and you can see that if we clicked on these other ones, nothing happens, and if we clicked on this one, only this one rotates. Alternatively, we can select one of these other ones, but what if we wanted all of them to rotate in the same way? That's real simple. We'll click on this enable custom selector. We'll click on this pin icon here to find it in the selector builder. Alternatively, we can just type image dash box, because everything here will be our image box. But if we open this, we can find it here, and you'll see image box right there. We'll use this, and you can see it's the same. We'll click on save. We'll reload our site, and now you can see all of them act that way. But again, our trigger is this one. So there's using class to apply an interaction, which is a trigger and action, to multiple elements. And there you have it, using .class to apply triggers and actions to multiple elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.